Welcome back to NanoEdge. Today we are installing full body NanoGard Ultra Plus on this beautiful Cadillac. Ultra Plus delivers all of the premium properties a protection film can have. 8.5 mils thickness for maximum protection. Gloss retention to avoid fading. Limited lifetime warranty. Water beading for better yet less frequent washing. The highest scratch resistance available. Nano ceramic coating for 80% extra gloss. Instant self-healing technology. Anti-chipping. And non-yellowing materials to keep the paint looking new and vibrant. All of the properties in the NanoGard Ultra Plus paint protection film work together, helping retain and increase the value of your vehicle by ensuring that your car looks amazing and is well protected for a lifetime.